Hello everybody, welcome back to C&S Corvettes. It's your Corvette buddy Lyle here to talk to you about more helpful, interesting, exciting, and hopefully really cool Corvette stuff. Today I want to talk to you about new lighting that has come on the market for your C6 Corvette. We're going to go through all of its little features and we're going to talk about what it fits, what it does. I'm excited about this and it's a really cool look. If this is your first time visiting our site, guys, we're a 52-year-old Corvette shop, and what we do is provide parts and service for only Corvettes and have done so for over half a century. Our YouTube channel is here to help people who are in the hobby or looking to get into the hobby make good choices and educate them about ways to improve or fix their Corvette. That's pretty much it. If you like what we do, please leave a like and a subscribe. Thank you. Our good friends at Vette Lights have come up and invented a new set of reverse lamps that will fit any 2005 through 2013 Corvette. They are direct OEM replacements. You don't have to modify anything. There's no cutting. There's none of that. Here's the part numbers that it replaces. Tony's going to put them on the screen. But basically, any C6 reverse lights, these will fit. And this is what they've invented. So this is the smoked lens. It also comes in a clear lens. And you'll notice there are two LEDs in here. The first one up here is your white LED reverse lamp that is approximately 300% brighter than the stock reverse lamps that your car came with. It is not quite as bright as the brightest available ones that we sell on our website, but this does have a distinct improvement in how much you can see when you put the car in reverse at night. But the really cool thing is this LED here, that lights up red. And this goes directly to your taillights, and we'll go over that in a minute. This is like now a red rear marker light that is now at the bottom of your bumper. And you actually have a little switch on the back of these lights here, and you can tell it whether you want it to just come on when the taillights come on, or you can have it do a animation when the car starts up, when you turn your lights on, all of that stuff. And that's fully switchable. Installation is actually quite simple. The toughest part of this is getting access under the rear valance to do it. So if you're going to install these, and Tony's going to put up some video and pictures to help illustrate what I'm talking about, that black plastic rear valance at the bottom of your rear bumper has to come off. There are several screws and clips that hold that in place, but it's not difficult to remove. Once you have that off, you can access these screws to remove the old light and put the new light in, both sides. And the hookup is really pretty simple. When you get your lamps, basically there's a white sticker over this socket right here, and inside is this spade connector. This is going to plug directly into the socket that your reverse light bulb plugged into. That's where you get your reverse light from. Then you have this harness that runs up to your outboard tail light, and there's a male and a female plug here. So you're going to take out your rear tail light, one screw, and you're going to plug this in between the tail light and the harness from the car. Put the tail light back in, put these both into your valance, put the valance back up, and you're ready to go. The toughest part of this job though, guys, is getting access to the screws at the bottom of the car. This is a great time if you're going to have the car up in the air for an oil change or anything like that. This job gets immeasurable easier. If you're trying to do this laying on your back in your driveway, this job could take up to 2 hours. If you have access to the underside of the car, like on a lift or even on jack stands, you can cut that time in half or even better. And as you can see from the video that he's showing you now, these lights really do add something to the car, especially at night, that is unique. And that's what we like about new lighting. And this was the last LED lighting on the C6 that didn't have a cool, upgraded, dedicated lamp assembly to replace the OEM unit. Because once you have access, it's 100% plug and play installation, and it's 100% direct replacement assembly. You don't have to invent or modify anything. It is literally plug it in and it works. A few other notes about these new lamps. There is this is UV resistant polycarbonate, so it's not going to yellow out or brown out in the first 2-3 years you have it. It is ultrasonically sealed, so it is completely waterproof, has a built-in CAN bus controller, and it is backed by a 2-year warranty. Now, Tony had installed the clear set that we got from Vette lights on his car. And in his testing, he would say these assemblies are a little more bright than Cole's regular LED reverse bulb upgrade, but slightly less bright than Cole's brightest available 80-watt 2600 lumen LED reverse bulbs. But the animation and the addition of that rear marker light is really, really cool. And if you want your car to stand out at night, this is a great way to do it. Again, they're available in clear or smoked lenses. They are on our website. Link is on the description of the video below. Look forward to hearing your questions or comments about this. And we're really excited because it's been a while since a brand new assembly for the C6 has come out, and this is it. Thank you. So that rounds it out for today's video, guys. We'll have more interesting, exciting information coming your way later this week. Thanks for being with us and have a great day.